Okay, class. So now we look at the first example. For this one, expand 5 minus 5x over 1 plus 2x, 1 minus 3x as a series of ascending powers of x, giving all terms up to and including the term in x power 3. Okay, and then the question asks you to state the validity. Okay, so how you want to expand this one? So untuk yang ini, you see here, the denominator tu maksudnya penyebut. Okay, the denominator consists of the prime factor. Okay, so the other prime factor, terdiri daripada prime factor. So for this one, you can do the partial fraction for the first step. Okay, so other prime factor, so we can write in a over 1 plus 2x plus b over 1 minus 3x. So we find the prime factor lah. So this one teacher already teach during the first chapter. Okay, so you will see the partial fraction that you get is 3 over 1 plus 2x plus 2 over 1 minus 3x. Okay, so I move here. So for this one, if we do in the partial fraction, kita akan dapat yang ni, right? So equal to, so 3 over 1 plus 2x, I can write in 3 bracket. So 1 plus 2x, saya boleh tulis sebagai power negative 1. Sebab dia over mah. So yang ini pun sama. 2 over, so 2 bracket. Over ini, so pindah naik atas menjadi power negative 1. So 1 minus 3x power negative 1. So for this one, you can do because the question, the keyword here is expand. You see here? Expand. So that means you can use the binomial expansion to expand this one. So binomial expansion that you learn have two formula. Which formula that you can use here? So you see here, sini depan ialah 1. Okay, power dia ialah negative 1. Di mana teacher already say negative 1 is a rational number. So you use the second formula yang kita belajar semalam. Okay, so this one I 3. So this one I put here, I expand. Okay, so I do separately lah. Jangan buat dalam satu langkah. So do separately. So I expand here equal to, so 3 times with the whole thing. So 3 a bit bracket. So untuk yang ini you expand using the formula 1 plus, guna formula yang kita ajar semalam, plus dot dot dot. Make sure for the binomial expansion belakang mesti plus dot dot dot. So tutup. So equal to, jangan lupa 3 a bit bracket. Just use the calculator to calculate it carefully. You will get this answer. So plus dot dot dot. So sama juga the last step, you expand every terms lah. So you get 3 minus 6x plus 12x squared minus 24x cubed plus dot 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 dot. Make sure kamu expand until the term x cubed, because the question required you to expand up to and including the term in x power 3. So sampai x power 3 cukup lah, plus dot dot dot. Okay, sama juga dengan yang 2 over 1 minus 3x. So 2 over 1 minus 3x power negative 1. So sama, 2 darab a bit bracket. So untuk expand 1 minus 3x power negative 1. So kamu tengok the keyword here 1, depan tu ialah 1. And then power apa? Power negative value, where negative value is a rational function. So guna second formula yang kita belajar semalam, masuk dalam saja dengan syarat depan tu ada 2 darab semua benda. So 2 bit bracket, baru guna formula tulis. Expand sampai bila? Expand sampai x cube cukup, plus dot 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 dot. Okay, so sebab soalan tu dia kata expand including the term in x power 3. So sampai x cube cukup. So make sure ada plus dot dot dot, tutup bracket. So the next step, you just press the calculator carefully, and then the last step, make sure you expand inside every terms. Okay, times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and then also same the final answer, make sure plus dot 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 dot. Okay, so finish, we do the both thing. Okay, kita combine everything lah. Okay, because the original question here is this one, 3 bracket plus 2 bracket. So I combine this answer and this answer, so I will get, okay, plus, so I combine everything. After the combination, sama juga mesti plus dot. Okay, so equal to, so this one the constant tambah constant, yang x tambah dengan yang x square combine dengan yang x square, yang x cube combine dengan yang x cube lah. So you will get the answer is 30x cube plus 30x square plus 5 plus dot after the combination. Okay, next the question asks you to state the range. Okay, state the range for where the expansion is valid. You want to find the validity. So to find the validity, you need to do one by one lah. So we do this one first. For the first expansion, the validity you depend on this one, 1 plus 2x. So 1 plus 2x. So kita terus ambil 2x. Modulus 2x is less than 1. Cikgu dah cakap kan, sama juga dengan apa yang kita dah belajar semalam. Okay, so yang bawah tu sama, 1 minus 3x. So modulus, dalam modulus tu tulis apa? Negative 3x. So tulislah modulus negative 3x less than 1. Dan kamu buatlah sama, buka keluar, eliminate the modulus, kamu akan dapat 2x is between negative 1 and 1. So bahagi 2, so this one bahagi 2, bahagi 2, bahagi 2. So you will get the validity x is between negative 1 over 2 and 1 over 2. So this is the validity for the first expansion. For the second expansion, the validity here is modulus negative 3x is less than 1. So kita buka modulus, dia akan menjadi negative 3x is between negative 1 and 1. So bahagi negative 3, bahagi negative 3, bahagi negative 3. So we get 1 over 3, negative 1 over 3, and then this one we get x lah. So sama, if inequality you divide by negative value, so the symbol will become opposite. So dia akan menjadi terbalik lah simbol tu. Okay, after that, don't stop your answer here. Remember that for the inequalities, always the smallest number is in front. So negative 1 over 3 tulis depan, 1 over 3 tulis belakang, simbol pun kena terbalikkan dia. Okay, after you get these two validity, jawapan bukan berhenti kat sini. Sebab yang ini validity untuk first expansion, yang ini validity untuk the second expansion. Yang kamu nak ialah combination. Okay, validity untuk combination kedua-dua expansion ini. So you need to combine these two validity. How you want to combine? So we just perform in the number line lah. Okay, for this one, the first validity is x is between negative 1 over 2 and 1 over 2. So between negative 1 over 2 and 1 over 2. So saya lukislah bulat putih. Bulat putih, so buat satu garisan between mah. Kenapa bulat putih? Sebab dia tak ada sama dengan mah. Okay, dia punya inequality tu tak ada sama dengan. Okay, so cuma bulat putih. Negative 1 over 2, 1 over 2, bulat putih. And then the second validity is x is between negative 1 over 3 and 1 over 3. So tulislah negative 1 over 3 and 1 over 3. Sama juga bulat putih. So you just join these two bullet. Okay, maybe some of you say, teacher, how I want to know whether which number come first? Okay, so what you all need to know is, for the number line, always write the smallest answer. Okay, the first, the paling kecil, kedua kecil, ketiga kecil, and then sampai besar. Okay, susun dari kecil sampai besar in the number line. Then you can join the number like that lah. Okay, so after you draw the number line, kamu tengok ada dua garisan here, got two line here. Which answer that you want to choose? So teacher say the combination. So combination that mean dia mesti ada kedua-dua line. Okay, so must consist of two lines. So kamu tengok lah, this is the region that teacher want. So I just shade this part. Kenapa saya shade this part? Because only this part consists of both line. So what is the answer? The final answer is the validity. Tulislah range of values of x for which the expansion is valid is x is between -1/3 and 1/3. Okay, so that is the explanation for the first example.